Good morning, everybody. It is 6:30 in the morning, 61 degrees outside. So I've never really shared this. This is my server cabinet, which isn't really used for a server cabinet. Lots of activities going on in the house and around the property. But the reason I'm sharing this morning is I'll probably have to put a light on it. That is my first real purpose-built, let me widen this beam out, computer. And I got it put back together yesterday. I'm having an issue here. My hard drive temperature sensor is not functioning proper. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. So I'll have to work that one out. But I had bad hard drive, bad memory, bad everything in it, so I replaced most everything. I only had 6 gigabytes of memory available to me yesterday, but it's been running now for almost a full day, and I'm happy with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but the sun's about to come up. It's still dark out there. So let's get to work. I have a goal to get these 2 wood racks cleared off so I can move them either on the patio or in the carport. I'll put that wood for the time being on the trailer. I might leave it there, might not. The trailer is getting pretty heavy though. And then I'm going to work on doing something with this shop. So I've mentioned this before, and I don't get many responses on this channel, so I'll mention it again just in case anybody missed it. I'm not sure what this channel was originally designed for, to make videos for our little farm, and there's very little of that on here. I like to film, and there's more stuff to share than there is to farm. So my question to you is, should I create another channel for stuff like this, or should I keep it on this channel? Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. If I should keep it on this channel, should I change the name of the channel? Let me know, and let's get to moving that wood. So I think I need a new plan. There is too much weight on this trailer. It's only supposed to hold 1,625 pounds. I think I've probably exceeded that. 5 feet wide, 8 feet long, stacked. It's almost chest high here at the highest point. So I need to make a new plan. I still need to get those wood racks emptied off, but I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I might just throw it all on the ground and move them. Just do it that way for now. But we'll see. Well, I accomplished my mission of getting those 2 wood racks moved. Got them over there now. It's not perfect, but it'll do for now. Dinner is ready. Oh, I'm so looking forward to this. I tried something different. We barbecued over some of the mixed charcoal lump and oak with apple chips. We even put the beans in the barbecue. It's gonna be amazing. All right, everyone. It is a little after 9 o'clock. And it's time for me to go to bed. I've got more work I'm gonna have to do to this thing. But that'll have to wait for another day. Well, it is just before 5 a.m. 59 degrees out. I'm headed to work. God, I don't even remember how much I recorded yesterday. I don't know how much of moving the wood I shared or any of that. It'll be interesting going over this footage, but it is Monday. It's 1:57 and I'm headed back to the farm. You know, I don't think anybody told Mother Nature that it was actually fall right now. It's 89 degrees outside at 2:04 p.m. I mean, don't get me wrong, 89, I'm not going to complain too much about 89, but I'm ready for winter. I'm ready to go stay in the house out of the rain and just winterize myself. Well guys, I think I'm gonna end this video now. It's I don't know what time it is. It's 5 p.m. on Monday. I was gonna continue this on for a little bit, but weeks are just so tough for me. I stay so busy and I don't really think about recording. But anyway guys, I'm still working on this computer. And thanks a million for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.